everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is a grilled cheese on the air fryer. Delicious and nutritious and so easy to make. I take 2 pieces of bread, sandwich bread. I have whole grain bread here. You can use any kind of sandwich bread you like. I spread some butter on each one of them. This is a melted butter that I had before. Then I flip to the other side where I put the cheese. The cheese, I will put 2 pieces of cheese. You can put as many as you like, and also any kind of cheese you like. I used here American cheese. And now I put it in the basket of the air fryer. I made 2 of them. And the side that have the butter is outside, and I said the cheese is inside. Then for the temperature, it will be 350. First of all, we turn it on, then put it on the air fryer mode. 350 for 5 minutes for the first side. After 5 minutes, we flip to the other side, and we add another 3 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes on 350 also. And the grilled cheese in the air fryer, it's well done, brown, crispy from the outside, and the cheese is melted totally from the inside. I will cut this one in front of you. You can use any kind of bread you like. You see how the cheese is melted, and also for the cheese you use how many pieces you like and any kind of cheese that you prefer. That was the recipe for today. Easy, delicious and nutritious grilled cheese in the air fryer. It didn't take that long to make, so delicious. Thank you for watching and see you next time in a new video and new recipe. Enjoy!